Hello everyone! In this video, we will see how to add a solid color layer in CapCut. So let's get into it. As you can see, I have already opened CapCut on my PC screen. Let's click on Create Project to proceed. Here we are in the CapCut video editor. To add a solid color layer, we need a media file. You can import a file from your computer media library, or from the left sidebar, open the Stock Material tab. Here you can explore videos, images, or backgrounds. Select a background and drag it onto the track at the bottom of the screen. This is the custom background that we are going to use. I will show you how to change its color, but before proceeding to this step, let's explore the Stickers tab and add some animation. You can explore this tab, or enter a keyword in the search bar and hit Enter. Once you get the results related to your search, drag a sticker onto a new track above the background. Let's have a preview first. You can see the sticker animation, but it looks unclear. So let's go to the top right side and navigate to the Adjustment tab. Here, open the third option, which is Curves. You can change the background color by moving these lines. Actually, these are the 4 color combinations named Luma: red, green, and blue. Once you are done with the color adjustment, let's have a preview to see the changes. And that's it. You can observe that this is how simple it is to add a solid layer in CapCut. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.